everyone, I'm back again with another video. Yes guys, I tried this facial mask. It's so amazing on the skin. It glows my skin beautifully. So here are the steps on what I did for the past few days. So I start by steaming my face with this steamer I bought from Amazon. We'll leave the link in the description box. And now the amazing facial mask I bought off from Amazon. So amazing, healing clear indeed. It clears out pores. I'll be mixing it with apple cider vinegar, especially the one with mother. So I mix both the clear and the apple cider. Mix them well and apply generously on the face. So now I've finished the application. I will leave it for 10 to 15 minutes maximum. So now it's about 10 minutes now. My face is tight with this mask. So I will go ahead and wash it off. So all washed out, my face feels amazing. So I'll be using my facial cleanser I did here in my channel. So check it out. I put it in on the cotton wool and clean my face with it. So yeah guys, how my face is in just 10 to 15 minutes. The clay face mask is amazing. Makes your face feeling smooth and fresh, and it helps to clear your acne, pores, and eliminate excess oil on your face. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.